Okay, what's up? Today we have a car dual Bluetooth stereo. These are, hold on. And we're back. You can buy this from Walmart. It's 20 bucks. It's got Bluetooth. It's a stereo. Yeah, that's all you need to know. I've done a couple stereos in the past. I usually get the Sony MEX something. They're really good. I'm a big fan of them, but they make everything like super futuristic and like ricey and just dumb, like unnecessarily futuristic looking. And I didn't want to get something super crazy for the Porsche because it'll just look way out of whack, out of place. As you can see, this one isn't too bad, and it was 20 bucks, and it's got Bluetooth. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. Okay, so shit you're gonna need: 13 mil to unplug the battery, some wire, yeah, a driver, electrical tape, and one of these the electric thing. Yep. You could use a multimeter. I think I found a diagram that's pretty accurate. So let me go ahead and disconnect the battery. Okay, so what we're gonna do is pop this sucker out, and then there's two Phillips heads. Pop out. I'll take these screws out because I don't want to lose them. And this just lift straight up. I'm gonna unplug the switches. That's it. You have your flaccid shift knob. As you can see right here, I have this nice 944, only 944.com shift knob. Nice upgrade. It took a lot of the slop out of the shifter. This has got like a tab, something that's been peeled up, but just stopping it from coming out. There we go. Yeah, this thing look good. I don't know how to take this thing off. Whoa. Just like that, I guess. I don't know what's holding this on. There we go. Now let's take out the handy dandy stereo. See, it's not too crazy futuristic looking. That would have been too easy if that just connected up right. Oh, I have a diagram. So I've connected the battery back up. I literally just want to test this because it's a little iffy. So in theory, this should power on. Wrong key. Where's the Porsche? Nothing. Okay, after testing, I've realized that this is not power. One of these is power. Okay, I moved some stuff around. Let's see if this should work. Oh yeah. Well, there's no speakers hooked up, so it won't play anything. And it turned off. Sweet. Okay. So let me just get the view. So the black goes to the thick green. Wait, I'm sorry. The red goes to the thick green. The black goes to the two thick browns. And the yellow goes to that red right there. The skinny red, not this thick red over here. Okay, and with some camera magic, I'll walk you all through it. Black goes to the two thick browns. Yellow goes to the medium thickness red. Red goes to the thick green. Gray, solid gray goes to black. Gray with black stripe goes to brown with black stripe. White goes to brown with white. White with black stripe goes to white. Green, just regular green, goes to brown with yellow. Green with a black stripe goes to regular yellow. Purple goes to brown with red, and purple with black goes to red. And there you go. And then you plug in the antenna. This should function. Boom. So we're gonna go to our settings. Bluetooth. Turn the Bluetooth on. And then either 1, 2, 3. Oh, looks like it worked. Bluetooth linked. Let's try and play something. Yep. And there you go. I'm just gonna go hook up the battery. And there we go. Well, I hope you guys liked the video. Let me know if you have any questions. Feel free to ask. I know I didn't give the most in-depth way of how to do this, but yeah, the stereo sounds great. The wires were a little thin, so I'm guessing it's not pushing too many amps to the speakers, but I mean, it sounds great. It sounds better than what used to be in here. What used to be in here was a Pioneer. It's heavy as hell. It's a weight reduction because race car. And yeah, let me know what you guys want to see, what you guys want to know. I've got a track video coming out. I do SCCA course racing, so that'll be out soon. Yeah, peace out.